Hi guys, Coderbyte, another code challenge counting minutes here, medium complexity with difficulty. So for this challenge we'll return total number of minutes between two times. Let's start. So again, we have function counting minutes. So it will take parameters being passed, which is included two times, each properly formatted with colon and AM or PM. Okay, so it will be a lot of manual parsing. Separated by a hyphen and return the total number of minutes between the two times. The time will be in 12-hour clock format, and again we have 9 to 10, then output should be 60. Okay, minutes. So again, we don't need to worry means about that. It will be something weird. And here's another example. If you got from 1 p.m. to 11, so it's the whole cycle will be sitting. So yeah, and again p.m., a.m. and such. Okay, we got it. Here's one of many implementations. So we'll split start and end times from input. So again, we have the separator basically split this dash or a hyphen. After that, we will convert time start and end into minutes from midnight. So again, we'll introduce additional new function. We'll review it shortly. So we'll get in minutes time, and after that we basically just recalculate it with again adjustment out there, and after that we will do because as a result we need to provide it's still minutes, so in the result we'll do this in minutes. Here we go. Again, function here will receive the string. Again, we're going through hours, minutes, because we know. So here's another split separator. Instead of we'll have two of them. So we'll parse it in assumptions that will be string, integer. We'll parse it through. We will also determine is it PM, and after that convert this into minutes. So we have it, and time to submit. Okay, and we got it. So yeah, majority takes some additional time because again, it's really tedious work to really parse it through because it's again text, PM, AM, separate the time, again in dividing. So it's kind of just make sure it's kind of done right. So it looks like people taking more time out there, and here we are. So again, as usual, again, thank you for watching, guys. It was Coderbyte counting minutes challenge. As usually, you can again go back and see through the pause the video and got the code out there, or again, got from the description below. Again, if anything, let me know. See you in the next one. Bye, guys.